In this video, we'll be making a QR code generator using Python. It will be super fun to create it. So let's get started. Hey guys, I am Divyanshu Pawar. I am a programmer and content creator. If you are interested in programming, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. So we will start by creating a new folder. So I will create a new folder and I will name it QR code generator. After creating this folder, I will open it in PyCharm. So it will take some time to open in PyCharm as PyCharm is heavy. So I will wait for it. So I will trust my project. So as you can see, it is opened. So now I will create a new file. Oh, it already created a main.py file for me. So I will just clear this code right here. And first of all, we will be needing a module named QR code. To install that module, what you wanna do is open your terminal. So I will open command prompt and I will install pip install QR code. So after running this command, your QR code module will be installed. So let's wait for this module to be installed. So guys, as you can see, I have installed this module. Now what I will do is, now I will come here and I will import this module. So I will type import QR code and I will import it as QR. So after importing this module, we will create the QR code. To create the QR code, you have to type QR. You have to save it in a variable first. So I'll type my email will be img equals to qr.email, and now you have to type the text you want to embed in that QR code. So I will type subscribe, and now you have to just save this. To save, now you have to type the name of the image you want to save it as. So I will type QR code. Now I will run it. So as you can see, I have an image file right here. So I will open it from my Explorer file. So as you can see, it doesn't have an extension. So we have to put an extension after the name of the file. So I will type qrcode.png as in PNG format. So now if I'll run it, as you can see, I have an PNG format QR code file, as you can see. Now if I want to embed my website link, I can do that also. I will type. So now if I'll run this, it will, as you can see, now the pattern of the QR code is changed. So guys, that's for this video. If you like this video, hit that like button down this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down how you like the video. So this code will be available on GitHub. So thanks for watching guys, and I will see you next time.